It is said that the vehicle a person drives is a reflection of their personality. And there's no vehicle to better demonstrate this than a Subaru. It's versatile, responsible, and progressive, and built to last. And genuine Subaru accessories are built to personalize the driving experience for any adventure, big or small. But genuine Subaru accessories provide much more than style and personalization. They provide a level of safety and durability that typical aftermarket accessories can't match. They're designed by a team of Subaru accessories engineers and manufactured to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Subaru vehicle to help ensure quality, reliability, and value for the road ahead. Extensive testing procedures help ensure that all government standards are met, in addition to Subaru engineering specification and performance targets. From environmental and strength testing to vibration and chemical resistance assessment, all Subaru accessories undergo certified lab trials and computer simulations and are also performed in real-world environments. When it comes to accessories, one size does not fit all. Genuine Subaru accessories are precision engineered using original computer-aided design data for each Subaru model. Genuine Subaru accessories are specifically made for the vehicle they're sold for, which means they fit better, perform better, and last longer than aftermarket editions.
Whether accessories that help to add protection and security, audio upgrades, convenience electronics, or lifestyle accessories by Thule, accessory planning and testing can start 3.5 years before a new Subaru model is introduced. Plus, they're designed in conjunction with the vehicle for precise form, fit, and function.
Genuine Subaru electronic accessories are designed according to the vehicle's original specifications and are fully integrated into Subaru vehicle systems. Wiring and body integrated unit software are pre-arranged during the manufacture of the Subaru vehicle to allow for faster installation and seamless integration of electronic accessories.
Plug-and-play, pre-wired connections help ensure higher performance and robust functionality. Every genuine Subaru audio upgrade accessory is acoustically measured and custom-tuned to provide optimum sound quality.
To help ensure seamless operation and uninterrupted functionality, genuine Subaru accessories are directly incorporated into the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. In addition to environmental testing, electrical and electromagnetic testing is performed to address a variety of concerns, such as short circuit prevention, overcurrent safety, and battery current management. Subaru accessory technology is developed and tested with the vehicle's complex, integrated electrical system in mind, eliminating the possibility of electrical interference to vehicle systems.
For a precise fit and improved durability or compatibility, Subaru engineers are in close collaboration with Thule during the design and development of genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories.
We work hand in hand with the Thule Group and perform a series of tests to help ensure all racks and carriers comply with Subaru unique requirements.
Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket hitches. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle structure in such a way that it becomes an integrated component, not only for towing, but also from a safety perspective.
It is developed in conjunction with the vehicle and undergoes rigorous testing, as its installation method is an important area to consider when purchasing this type of accessory.
Our trailer hitch is validated to provide optimal clearance, the required strength, and superior safety. They are crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to verify they do not negatively impact any safety features of the vehicle and to help ensure the vehicle's IIHS rating is maintained. Genuine Subaru protection accessories, including all-weather floor liners, are precision engineered using vehicle CAD data for every trim level of every Subaru model. Unlike typical aftermarket floor liners, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are extensively evaluated and undergo a series of functional tests to help ensure a precise fit and to keep genuine Subaru accessories on the leading edge of safety. Genuine Subaru accessories are covered by Subaru's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Accessories installed after the 336 vehicle warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule carry a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. genuine Subaru accessories can be included in monthly payments for added convenience. When a trusted Subaru certified technician installs a genuine Subaru accessory, it is installed with the same care and precision that goes into the manufacturing of the Subaru vehicle. Subaru technicians receive comprehensive training on every accessory and system in a Subaru vehicle to help ensure a seamless integration every time. Whether looking to preserve and protect, equip for any adventure, or simply increase personal style, value, safety, and security that lasts begins with genuine Subaru accessories.
Gritty, raw, and adrenaline-fueled, every ride in the Subaru WRX is a thrill ride. In the WRX, you become one with the road. You feel every inch and own every turn. Take that thrill to the next level and show the world who you really are with genuine Subaru accessories, designed to let you go your own way. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories made by Thule. Take a short journey with us now as we explore some of the most popular accessories that are available for the Subaru WRX. Start by giving your WRX a unique and more aerodynamic look with rear Aero splash guards. This accessory reduces ground clearance and comes as a set of 2. You can also protect the WRX from parking lot mishaps with attractive body side molding. Color matched to coordinate with the styling of the vehicle, genuine Subaru body side moldings help to protect doors from unsightly dings. Do even more to preserve the appearance of the WRX with custom-fit color-matched stainless steel door edge guards. They are designed to help protect the door edges from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. Protect the upper surface and leading edge of the rear bumper with the rear bumper applique made of clear, scratch-resistant urethane film. The applique includes a discreet pearl-colored Subaru logo. Protect yourself and your interior from the elements when the windows are down with genuine Subaru side window deflectors. Side window deflectors are tested and evaluated for water intrusion and designed to complement the appearance of the door. You can also add a Moonroof Air Deflector to help reduce wind noise and sun glare when driving with the moonroof open. Keep the interior of the WRX looking like new with a genuine Subaru cargo tray. The tray helps protect the trunk area from stains, dirt, and other messes, while providing a surface that helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. This popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean, so you can load up with gear, pursue your passions, and keep your WRX looking perfect. Control your cargo around every corner and curve with a genuine Subaru cargo net. This accessory neatly holds cargo and prevents it from sliding while the vehicle is in motion. Precision engineered for an exact fit, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners help protect the vehicle carpet from accidental spills, snow, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. Our floor liners withstand a series of functional and durability evaluations to not only offer protection, but also help ensure they will not warp, fade, or tear. Protect eyes from unwanted glare and enjoy the convenience of programming home functions. This very popular upgraded mirror integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if a garage door has been left open or closed if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication, and it features an 8-point digital compass. Drive hard and rest easy by adding wheel locks to the WRX. This accessory helps deter wheel and tire theft. No matter what the weather, make the interior of the WRX as cool or as warm as you want before you get into it with a remote engine starter. This convenient accessory allows the vehicle to be started from up to 30 feet away depending on obstructions, simply by pushing a button. That way the climate control system has time to make the interior more comfortable before entry. Enhance the look of the WRX with stylish STI carbon fiber trunk trim. This trim piece is made from real carbon fiber and includes the STI logo embedded within the clear coat. It completely covers the chrome trunk trim above the rear license plate display area. Show the road you mean business with the WRX Sport Package. That includes the STI Shift Knob 6MT, STI Short Throw Shifter, STI Performance Exhaust System, STI 17-inch or 18-inch alloy wheel set, and black wheel lug nut and lock set. Add the ultimate shift knob for your WRX. The STI Shift Knob combines the highest quality aluminum and leather materials, ergonomic shapes, and ideal weight balance. Take your driving experience up a notch. The STI Short Throw Shifter significantly reduces shift throw lengths and gives your WRX or WRX STI crisper shifting and a sportier driving feel. The STI Performance Exhaust System lets you push the limits of performance. Mounted behind the catalytic converter, the STI Performance Exhaust System provides a smooth mandrel bend construction to help reduce exhaust flow restrictions, allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently. The exhaust system includes a free-flowing center pipe after the catalytic converter that splits into 2 pipes and mufflers with engraved STI tips, available for the Subaru WRX. The STI 17-inch or 18-inch alloy wheel set helps give the WRX the perfect blend of attitude and style, combined with improved handling performance and steering precision. This is due to the reduced weight of the alloy when compared to the stock alloy wheels. The wheels are finished in black and finished off with STI branded center caps. Help deter the theft of wheels and tires with the black wheel lug nut and lock set, including 4 locks and a key. The black lug nuts match the STI alloy wheel for improved styling. Live life at maximum volume with genuine Subaru accessory audio upgrades by Kicker. The Kicker-powered subwoofer provides powerful deep bass. The self-contained unit mounts in the trunk. Hear every high note with the Kicker tweeter kit that includes 2 22mm tweeters for placement in the front dash to optimize the high-frequency detail. The tweeter's frequency response is 4500 Hz to 22 kHz. Enhance the sound clarity of your vehicle's audio system with the Kicker speaker upgrade. These high-efficiency two-way speakers have quality-constructed injection-molded poly cones with 20mm silk dome tweeters. Their frequency response is rated at 30 Hz to 22 kHz. The Thule Crossbar set allows for even more cargo carrying capability. These fixed-style crossbars can be installed or removed in minutes and may be used in conjunction with genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. This fixed crossbar set has a total roof load limit weight of 150 pounds and can be installed or removed in minutes to haul additional gear when you need it. Pack more gear and more adventure into any excursion with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories manufactured by Thule. Subaru engineers work in close collaboration with the Thule Group during the design and development of all our Thule racks and carriers to help ensure they comply with Subaru requirements, offer a precise fit, and increased durability. When it's extra cargo space you need, the genuine Subaru Cargo Carrier Extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket provide additional rooftop storage. Feel like dominating the dirt or hitting the trails on 2 wheels instead of 4? Haul your bikes with the fork-mounted bike carrier or roof-mounted bike carrier. Or make your adventures on the water possible with carriers to transport your kayak or your paddleboard. And if you would rather hit the slopes, the genuine Subaru ski and snowboard carrier is just what is needed. Thank you for taking the time to explore just some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available to enhance the Subaru WRX. From products that increase comfort and convenience to rugged accessories designed to haul gear wherever you want to go. Genuine Subaru accessories are designed with the journey in mind. Make the most of every adventure and keep your Subaru 100% Subaru with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.